So in this question, it's talking about a number line that has a point E with a coordinate of -1. So let's just take the horizontal x-axis in this case. And we're told about this line segment with a measure length of 13 and no units involved, so we don't have to worry about that part. And then the question at hand is, what are the possible coordinates? So notice that it's plural, right? That should kind of help you give us a hint. What are the possible coordinates of point G? So we have this other point that we're trying to look for, and we're given the measure or the length of this line segment. However, we're not really told in what direction it's going to go. That's why we have plural coordinates that could represent point G. So because we're only talking about the number line, we're only talking about really just one orientation here, one dimension. You could say horizontal, you could also take the vertical orientation, doesn't really matter. And so here we're going to see, well, what are these possible coordinates? We could say that the point G is to the right of E, so somewhere down here, right? And for it to relate to the measure of 13, this means that that point, I'm just going to call this number 1, that point is going to be at the coordinate 12. So G could be 12. However, it could be shown to the right, or sorry, to the left, still with the same measure of 13. So that means at that point, G, the second option or second possibility, could be -14. So all we're doing here is either adding 13 to point E, where it's -1, or we're subtracting 13 from -1, and we're going to get these two possible coordinates for G. So G is either -14 or 12. These are our two options. Okay, so that's how we would approach this problem and ultimately come up with the possible coordinates for point G on a number line. All right, so I hope this helps, and let us know if you have any other questions.